Control, welcome to Calgary International Airport. The local time is approximately 12 p.m., which puts us 20 minutes early into Calgary. For your safety as well as the safety of the passenger seat around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, cabin baggage securely stowed until the aircraft has passed through a complete and final stop at the terminal building, and the guest has to shut the fasten seatbelt sign. Mobile seating and translating functions can now be used. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you upon leaving the aircraft, and use caution when removing articles from the overhead bins as the contents may have shifted during the flight. Please be reminded that smoking is not permitted at your designated smoking area. If you require any assistance upon deplaning, please remain seated. We'll be happy to assist you once the